Well, big week ahead, and things are going to be decided. Hi, Dean Jenkins with FollowMeTrades.com, and this is the market update for the week coming up of October 18th, 2021. I'm showing the chart here for the S&P 500, and if you've been following my updates, you know I thought we were in for a correction, and we had a nice low, lower high, low, down below the Ichimoku cloud, down below the 50-day moving average, negative momentum. Last two trading days last week, pretty strong. Market was up on Thursday, up on Friday, up above the 50-day moving average. So this thesis of a correction is being challenged. Well, we'll see. We got a big week coming up. We're going into earnings season, and several things are happening. Let me show you what the big picture is right now, the things that we should be watching. So I've put together a quick slide here. So the S&P, it's the 500, it still might be correcting despite the last 2 days. We're going to watch that really close. It could go up, new highs, could go down. This infrastructure spending, infrastructure plus, I guess we could call it, it's a big deal. That's a lot of money. Trillion here, trillion there, and it adds up pretty soon to a lot of money. And that fight is being fought vigorously in Washington, and it has big implications. So any breaking news there could have a big impact, but of course there's no decisions as of yet. Earnings season is just kicked off last week with financials, strengthened banks. They had good results. Expectations are super high. S&P 500 companies are expected to post profit growth of 32%. But that may be hard with some of the supply chain constraints that we know exist, and with inflation and whatnot. We've got quite a number of retail stocks and others coming up. Monday, Albertsons. Tuesday, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Phillips Morris, Travelers, United Airlines, Netflix. Wednesday, Anthem, Verizon, Abbott Labs, BIIB, IBM, Tesla, Lam, Kinder Morgan. Others. Thursday, the Dow Company, American Airlines, Intel, Whirlpool. These are big companies, big serious companies, and they represent a big part of the market. So we'll see how that goes. We do have gold showing strength, and there could be some trades coming up there, and volatility. It's at a low for the year. So I think the opportunities are in individual stocks, some short, some long. But they're the focus. We got to watch the indexes closely and see what plays out. Here's S&P 500 again. We're going to watch this closely. It's either going to reverse from here and go down deeper, or on to new lows, and it's at a key decision point. And I think earnings are going to be a big deal. We have some economic reports coming out, building reports, housing starts, Philly Fed, existing home sales. I don't know; those are going to be as important as earnings. And I mentioned gold. Let's look at it. GLD ETF for gold. It's been heading up over the last week. It's at a resistance point. We think the miners may be a better play. They're actually looking better. Here's GDX, and this could be good. Nice run in the miners, up above the cloud, up above the 50. Maybe some opportunities there. We will be watching very, very close. And we got some individual stocks, some watch list items, and again, some long, some short, bit of a mixed picture. Well, that's it. If things change and it gets clear, I'll send a new update. Otherwise, as always, look for the opportunities, be disciplined, trade safe, keep the winners big, losers small, and there's always profit to be made. All right, take care. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.